that spaghetti box? Can you put it on your head like you were doing before? On your head? Bah. How are those fish? Oh. Yeah, you can put the goldfish in there. Or you can put it in your mouth.
It would probably be nice to have some answers.
Yeah? What else? You have a goldfish on your shirt. Did you know you have a goldfish on your shirt right under your chin? Did you know that? Yeah? Window. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. No?
Mommy's videoing. Ready, go.
Thank you. Oh, I didn't get it. Ready? Nora. Boop. Oop. Dropped it. Thank you. Nice. You want it back? No? Yes? No? Thank you. Yay!
Yeah.
Ah! Nah.
Say mama. Mama.
Where's Dada? Thank you. Clap, clap. Now you have goldfish on your belly. You have a goldfish on your belly. What's Daddy doing? Is he being silly? Is he being silly? All right, say bye. Say bye. Bye, Nora. Bye, Nora. Say bye, Nora. Bye-bye.